Exploring the Valley of Reflection, a journey into language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, Valley of Reflection. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English language skills. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and explore what makes this phrase so special. The term, Valley of Reflection, is not a common everyday expression, but rather a poetic and metaphorical one. A valley is a low area of land between hills or mountains, often with a river running through it. It's a place that can be both beautiful and serene, offering a sense of peace and isolation from the outside world. When we add of reflection to valley, the phrase takes on a deeper meaning. Reflection can mean thinking deeply about something, almost like mental contemplation or meditation. Therefore, the Valley of Reflection symbolizes a mental or emotional state where one goes to think deeply, introspect, and contemplate life's questions or one's own feelings and actions. This phrase can be used in various contexts, mainly literary or when speaking metaphorically. It's perfect for describing moments of deep thought or significant personal introspection. For example, one might say, after the day's events, I retreated into my own valley of reflection to consider what had happened. In writing, it can add a layer of depth and emotion to describe a character's internal journey or the setting of a scene that prompts introspection. Understanding and using metaphorical language like Valley of Reflection enhances your ability to express complex emotions and thoughts. It shows a mastery of the language that goes beyond basic communication, allowing you to convey ideas and feelings in a more vivid and impactful way. Metaphors enrich your speech and writing, making them more engaging and relatable to your audience. We hope this journey into the Valley of Reflection has been enlightening. Phrases like these are what make language beautiful and powerful, allowing us to express the depths of the human experience. Keep exploring and using such expressions to deepen your understanding and command of the English language. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.